Is your power steering binding and feeling heavy to turn? And first, check your battery. A weak battery can cause sudden drops in voltage that'll disrupt the sensitive components of your power steering system. If you have a multimeter, then check online for instructions on how to test your battery yourself. Or you can take it into most auto parts shops and they'll test it for you. And after recharging or replacing your battery, your power steering most likely still won't be working because it needs to be reset. I'm going to show you how to do that now. The reason we need to perform a reset is because with the sudden loss in voltage, the steering angle sensor most likely lost its calibration and the power steering system deactivated. So to perform the reset, very easy. Ensure the car is turned on and the steering wheel is straight, and then you turn the steering wheel to full right lock position and wait 5 seconds. And then turn the steering wheel to the full left lock and wait 5 seconds. And return the steering wheel to center. Turn off the car. Turn it back on. And test to see that your power steering feels much more fluid. And if it does, that means that your steering angle sensor has been recalibrated and your power steering system has been reinitialized. And hopefully this fix solved your power steering problems. If it didn't, then another DIY you can do at home would be a power steering fluid flush if your system uses fluid. And then if not, take it into the garage. There might be issues with your power steering rack and pinion. But I wanted to show you this one first because it's something anybody can do at home, and a lot of times it solves power steering problems.